What's up, family? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Femi Abdul. Today's video, we are going to be talking about my plans for this job. As y'all know, I recently just got a job. First 9 to 5 ever. You dig? Thank you for all the wishes and congratulations and all that stuff. So today, my plan is just to talk about what I plan on doing with the funds from this job. As y'all know, I have been investing for almost 2 years now, and I've been doing it without a job. Now that I have secured a job, the plan is essentially to flood the market with every single dollar. I mean, it's the same thing. Nothing's changing. So every single dollar I can throw in the market from this job, I am going to give it to the market. I am making around, also, I've been hearing this thing about not telling people how much you make or showing portfolio numbers. I get it, but I also don't care because I don't know. I think I'll be all right. But if there's somebody out there that, because I listen to y'all more because y'all have more experience in life than I am. Either which way, the job pays $30 an hour, right? First job ever in the, what do they call it, corporate world, and it's paying $30 an hour. My goal is to take that $30 an hour after taxes. Your boy can pay taxes finally, after taxes and all of that shit in the market. There's a bunch of new strategies I've implemented in the past, in the last year or the last 3 months that I was not thinking like. I feel like I've gotten a little bit more mature in my trading strategy. I can see things and spot things from a mile away now. But I'm thinking about using my actual income from Raytheon. First of all, I am going to open a life insurance policy. That has to happen. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. About 90% of people that watch my videos do not hit the like or subscribe button, which is cool with me. It is what it is. But if y'all do want to show appreciation or just help your boy out a little bit, hit that like button, subscribe. It costs nothing. Appreciate you. I need money to be able to borrow from. I need my own bank. I've always told myself I wanted a bank. I wanted to make my own bank growing up. I just didn't know I was going to do it through a life insurance policy. We're going to see how that works. I'm already talking to a specific company about this stuff. Either which way, that's the plan. I need my own bank, so creating a life insurance policy, throw a bunch of chicken into it, and then that's my number one thing. Another thing I'm looking forward to because of this job is just throwing more money into shares or buying more shares of my top 5, top 7 companies that I have in my portfolio. I really only have about 7 companies right now. Off the top of my head, Amazon, Google, Nvidia, ASML, Lilly, 6. So I need 100 shares of at least 3 of them. I just got my second 100 shares. I'm dropping a video on that soon. Y'all gonna figure out who won the club. But either which way, I need to get more shares because I'm thinking long term. All this short term stuff, I'm throwing it out the way realistically because it bit me in the butt ever since Sir Trump's has been in office. Next up, throw more money into the market, more long term. Another thing I'm looking forward to use my income from Raytheon is buying properties, because your boy has taxable income, and more income means I qualify to buy more things. Hopefully assets. I don't plan on buying anything that's not an asset anyway. But my next plan, buy another property this year. As soon as I get that first check, I'm probably throwing it at something anyway. If it's not going to be in the market, it's going into some real estate ideas, plans, REITs, whatever. I have to have more assets. I need as many assets as possible. So we have life insurance policy, we have throwing my checks into the market, and we have real estate. Those are the 3 avenues I'm thinking about. Throwing my cash, the liquid change I'm going to be getting after taxes. I officially will be making about over 6 figures now. That's kind of crazy. I didn't think about that. Either which way, I'll be making over 6 figures a year without my side income. That's ridiculous. So right now, currently, my plan is to stay under living expenses of 50 and be able to throw at least 60 in for the next couple of years. We don't know if I'm gonna be at Raytheon next year. The plan is to stay at Raytheon for the next 2 years minimum. But we don't know what's gonna happen. Anything could happen. But the plan is to throw at least 50K in the market for the next however long, if it's life insurance policy, if it's my Roth IRA, if it's my actual portfolios I manage on my own. Somebody got to get some chicken out of me, and it's going to be me, the future me, not the present me. I'm still going to take my liquid trips. If y'all want to catch up or talk to me or see what I be doing when I go on my liquid trips, that's only going on Instagram. I want to start posting it on my old channel. It's just a lot of work. I'm still in school. I'm starting a job now. I don't know how much free time your boy is going to have, so I am taking a last minute trip to Japan. Wish me luck. But other than that, it's really nothing else to it. I start the job in a couple months. It's remote, so I can still do my liquid trades. I can still do schoolwork. I can still go to the gym. I can still go to therapy and all that extra stuff. I don't got to stop my whole life for this J. The only thing is I can't leave the States government. I don't know how. The questions I have about this job thing is, one, how do I use paid time off? Because I don't like people enough in the workspace. I don't like people enough, so I'm probably gonna need a break. So how do I use paid time off? That's one thing I got to figure out. I already know what my benefits are. The only benefit I'm really looking forward to is the 401k match. Everything else is pretty unnecessary to me because I'm military. I don't really need their healthcare and all that extra stuff. But I'm looking forward to their 401k match, and I have to stay there for 2 years to be able to keep whatever they match minimum. So hopefully that works out for me. Everything else I really don't care about. So maybe there is something else I will find along the lines. I'll keep y'all up to date on this liquid job journey. First time, I don't know what I'm doing. I know what the job is. The job's gonna be cake. The benefits, the amount of meetings I'm probably gonna have to be in, it's a full-time job. So I don't know what to expect. I was actually considering doing multiple jobs at the same time, multiple remote positions. But most people I talk to swear it's gonna be ridiculous and I can't be full-time on 2 different jobs. Reason I want to keep or try to get multiple jobs was to try to stack as much money to throw in the market while it's falling. And she's falling really bad right now. Today is March 12th and shorty is down. S&P is down over 1%. So yeah, I'm quite short in the market right now. So I'm good in the portfolio. That's why it's flat. Yeah. And that's pretty much it, yo. So I'll just stay motivated. If I got any questions, I got questions. I just don't have them off the dome. I got to talk to whoever I got to talk to. HR. Damn, I got to talk to HR now. I got to talk to HR about the job. Stay positive, stay motivated. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace and love, baby.